So good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, let me start with the next topic. From this topic is very important because if you want to go for the top-down parsing, then this is the basic steps. See, I told the steps is carries for the next steps. The first step is wrong, then the next step is also obviously wrong. This is the first steps if you have to do for your top-down parsing. For that, we require that very much concentration. Then you have to involve in while solving the problem for this. See, what is left recursion? See the left recursion, you know the last class we write left associate of the grammar. Any grammar if you write it, it will look like a left recursion grammar. If you write that grammar using right associativity, it generate right recursion for the grammar. The left recursion, the recursion can be divided into left recursion or right recursion or general recursion. But as we now syllabus, we thought about only the left recursion. Left recursion is the grammar is look like my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that way you can observe now. Yes, derives after the arrow mark immediately it will start with the non-terminal, the same as your head of the production. Now I will tell you head of the production and body of the production, that word. The head of the production is LHS, body of the production it calls as an RHS. S derives S, A or epsilon. We have a two production and that alternatives. Then this is it look like a left recursion because the S derives S. The same non-terminal is repeated here. Okay, then what is right recursion? Right recursion, S derives A, S. You can see now S is in the after that your input. It should be in the right side of your arrow mark. It is not immediately in that arrow mark. It is look like a right recursion. Let me go for the general recursion. The general recursion that S can be anywhere in the production. It will look at in the middle of your production. Okay, this is your types of recursion. We have to concentrate only on left recursion. A production of the grammar is said to have left recursion if the leftmost variable of its RHS, leftmost variable of its RHS is same as variable of its LHS. Clear the definition? The definition is also given. A production of a grammar is said to have left recursion if the leftmost variable of its RHS, this is your RHS, the leftmost variable of RHS is same as its LHS, then it is called left recursion. If the grammar is left recursion, it is not suitable for top-down parsing, then I have to remove left recursion from on those production. For this, the grammar containing a production having left recursion is called left recursive grammar. Okay, a grammar containing a production having left recursion is called left recursive grammar. Then the grammar is left recursion, then it is not suitable for the top-down parsing. Then we have to eliminate from that. Then what is the rule should be applied? See, let me take the heading. Let me take down elimination of left recursion. Elimination of left recursion. If a grammar is left recursive, left recursive if it has non-terminal A such that there is a derivation. Can you take it? A derives A alpha. See, it looks like a left recursive. Observe now. A grammar is left recursive if it has a non-terminal A such that there is a derivative A derives A alpha. See, now A is look like a same as after immediate. Top-down parsing method cannot handle left recursive grammar. Then a simple rule for, see, this is direct. I'm by seeing my production I can say the grammar have a left recursion. It is called direct left recursion. See, okay, see, when I see the grammar, I can look like, it will look like a recursion. See, there are two types of recursion. One is direct, another one is indirect. I will go to indirect after some problem for the direct. A simple rule for the direct left recursion elimination is, see, this is carries 2 marks. Define left recursion. See, they have to say the grammar have a left recursion of a non-terminal A such that there is a derivation A derives A alpha. Then it can be replaced by, see, A derives A alpha or beta. This is my production. A derives A alpha by beta. See, beta is not start with any one of the production, right? Beta is not start with A. So you have to replace with A derives. You have to start with beta production. See, whatever beta can be any way, any number, but it will not start with A. That all the alternatives we called as in beta. So you start with A derives beta into A dash. This is for A dash. See, I am writing apostrophe. It is not an apostrophe. It is in A dash. A dash. A dash is your new non-terminal. You can write any new non-terminal. I am writing as a new non-terminal as A dash. A dash your new non-terminal. Then what is A dash? You should be write the formula. A dash derives the remaining thing. So you should be leave about the first one. A should be leave out the whatever the remaining. So remaining thing is my production is alpha. Alpha into A dash. Then you have to introduce epsilon production. See, this is the way you have to write for a rule for elimination of left recursion. I will do you. Just you copy down. A derives A alpha or beta is a production is called left recursion. Is replaced with A derives beta into A dash. A dash derives the remaining in the production. You leave about A. Remaining the production is alpha. Alpha into A dash and epsilon. For all the production is replacing with like this. See, this is for general rule for any of production. So let me go for. If you have more than one, I'll have to copy on this also. General rule for eliminate left recursion. If it is more than one alternatives, the previous I have only one. A derives A alpha or beta. But some of the problem you have a more than one alternatives. See, A alpha 1, A alpha 2, A alpha 3, dash dash dash, A alpha m. See, A derives is starting with A. Second is also starting with A. Third is also starting with A. Dash dash dash. M production is also starting with A. See, all M production I have to replace. With what? I have a, it is not start with A production. These are not left recursive. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, dash, 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 beta n. These are all beta production. Now, whatever the beta, it's not start with A. From using that beta, I can rewrite my production. Please copy down. Immediate left recursion can be eliminated by following technique which works for any number of A production. Group of productions as A derives A alpha 1, A alpha 2, A alpha 3, dash dash dash, A alpha m, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, dash dash dash, beta n, where no beta I begins with A. Then replace the A production by, I can now start production by capital A derives, you can state beta 1. Beta 1 into new non-terminal A dash, beta 2 into A dash, beta n A dash. Now, what is A dash? You take next as A dash. A dash derives the remaining here. The remaining is alpha 1 into A dash. Next, second alternative. What is the remaining? Alpha 2. Alpha 2 into A dash. Third one. Alpha 3 into A dash. Dash dash dash. Alpha m into A dash. Don't forget to write epsilon. Including this, you have a epsilon production. Okay. Copied on?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, copied on this because the formula is very important. Without know the formula, you can't able to do it. So just you copied on both the formula. I will go for the previous slide also if you want. Previous slide and this slide is very important. Over.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me start for the left recursion problem. Okay, let I take the first problem. What is the problem? A derives A alpha or beta. Is it right? Okay, writing pad is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start. See, now can you tell me the grammar has left recursion or not? Yes, it is look like what? It look like A derives A alpha or beta. See, I will don't go with this problem. I will go with another problem. Wait, you will be confused. A derives A or B. You take this problem. Very simple. A derives A or B. Okay, you just caught that problem. You will make so much of confused in that. Okay. Over. A derives A or B. It's look like A alpha or beta. The grammar of left recursion. Yes or no? What is the replacing production? If the grammar have A derives A alpha or beta, what is the formula? Always should be write the formula. Formula is also carries in the exam before writing your solution of the problem. If A derives A alpha or beta, see head of the production is also same as after the arrow, then it is called left recursion. If it is left recursion, then you have to replace with what is the formula? Check your notes. Starting with A, you have to use beta production as the first. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Likit?
Able to hear, ma'am.
What?
Continue, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. It start with beta. Then you have a new production A dash. Beta into A dash. What is A dash? This is the formula I am writing. A dash derives remaining. You have to take the remaining part. You leave that A. What is the remaining is alpha. Alpha into A dash. Then epsilon. This is the general formula I am writing. The production have left recursion. It is replacing with that. According to that, we can solve my problem. A derives AARB. Okay. Now this is A, this is alpha, this is your beta. For your reference, I am writing. Okay. Now how to write? It is replacing with this. The grammar have left recursion is replaced with. You have to write the statement replaced with A derives. What is beta now? Beta is what?
B.
B into new non-terminal A dash. This is, you can take any new non-terminal except these A. You can choose B, you can choose C, anything you can take. Then what is A dash? Because I am defining new thing, I have to define in the next line. What is A dash? A dash is the remaining. What is the remaining in this production? You leave about only A. What are the remaining? What are the remaining in this? Small a. I have a remaining thing with only, I have only one symbol, that is A. A into the same new non-terminal A dash. Then you have to write down epsilon. Then you have to write down epsilon product. Clear? So this is your resultant answer. If the grammar derives AARB, then replaced with the grammar have a left recursion, replaced with A derives B into A dash derives A into A dash or epsilon. Any doubt? I will do some problem, then it will go into in your head. Second one, you take that. Simple I will take.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let me explain how we'll come to know it is a left recursion. That's
See,
step
first
step.
you have to understand what is left recursion. See, this is your algorithm, your says. According to the rule, we are replacing. Okay, see, if it is left recursion, I have to say, this is your head of the production. Head of the production, same symbol is you have a after immediate arrow mark, the same symbol. Then I can say the grammar has a left recursion. First you clear that one. The grammar have left recursion or not? Say, because after the arrow mark I have a same non-terminal is there available, then it is called as a left recursion. If it is left recursion, I have to remove my left recursion by applying these formulas. Okay, these formulas is given how to eliminate my left recursion. The author will be right how to remove left recursion. He say any production is of the form A derives A alpha or beta. See, A derives A alpha. See, A after immediate arrow mark, I have once again A only. See, then it is the grammar should be look like left recursion. See, next what I am writing, it's not start with same production A. Because if you start with again A, it will look like left recursion only. I have to start with some other symbol. See what symbol I have to start? This beta you are seeing. Beta is have A or only beta should be there. If in case A beta, then I can't take this production also A beta, because again the production have A derives or A beta, then I have A, then I can't able to take this production also for the replacing production. Then I am not able to write it for this for eliminating left recursion. See, if you don't have any A, I have only beta, then you can start with beta. Now you can observe your resultant grammar A derives beta. Is both the symbols are same? Both the symbols same or different?
Different.
Then
Different,
if it
ma'am.
is a different, but it has a left recursion is there or not now? If you want to say left recursion, what should be there? Before beta, A should be there. Are you there, A here?
No, ma'am.
No. Why A is not there? Because I'm applying a formula. Say I'm not taking with A production. I am taking without A production. From that, I am writing the new production. If you write the new production, then only I can make it as to eliminate my left recursion. For that, I am rewriting my grammar with the rule says A derives, you start with beta into A dash. This is I am writing new thing. Then I have to define what is this. The next line I am defining what is that. A dash derives. See, because of this in this grammar, A and alpha should be there. See, I don't want to start with A